Hi friends. Today I am going to share with you an inspiring video which me amazed. You need 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons fine herbs, salt and pepper to taste. Mix them all ingredients with egg. This recipe is best for back-to-school going kids. Now grease the pan. And toast for slices of bread. If you like my collection of recipes, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Oh yes, please don't forget to like my videos. Take 1 tablespoon of butter and melt it on medium flame. Now poured egg batter and put on it to egg slices. Flipped. Turn sides and spread some tomato sauce. Mozzarella cheese, tomato slices, pinch of black pepper. Put on it another 2 slices. Separate from center. Done now. Cut from center. Enjoy with ketchup. You can make the sandwiches for lunchbox or for tea time or for breakfast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thanks for watching.